Hello, hello. Welcome to West Dorset. Weather's been naff as usual. It's Britain. What else do you expect? The shallots have gone over now. They've had enough of the rain and lack of sunlight. So I've got no choice, but I've got to lift them up. Otherwise, they're just going to rot in the ground. So that's today's project: is get them up and get them to start drying, and keep our fingers crossed we get some sun for the next few days to do it. I'll go move the camera now so you can see what I'm up to. One little tip when you're lifting shallots, onions, anything like that, leeks as well really, is try and loosen them up a bit rather than just pull them at the neck. If you pull them at the neck, they tend to rot and they won't store so well. So, you know, just for the sake of 5 minutes, run through, lift them a little bit, just loosen them so you can get them out easy. Here we go. There we go, can't be easier. All we've got to do is finish taking out the row and then put them to dry. So we'll come back when I get them up on the drying rack. Pretty sure you don't want to see me just digging out onions. There we go, that's the plot emptied. Soil was quite loose, so some of them pulled up nice and easy, so I didn't bother digging underneath them. But now they're all out. They can all sit there until tomorrow, maybe the next day. Depends what sort of weather we get the next few days, and then I'll put them up into the main drying rack. But at the moment they can sit there and do their little thing. Now all I've got to do is work out what I'm going to do with them. Oh, and by the way, for our North American cousins, these are shallots. They're not shallots. Shallots is a made-up word. I'm pretty damn sure of that. So there you go, shallots. Keep on gardening.